Hey guys, many people are asking me why I'm not doing so many videos recently, and this is why. I can't say anything. I don't know what's going on, so read the video to... No, I can't even do that. I'll write an article explaining what's going on, because this is happening every day now, and I tried to do a video explaining this, and it got blocked as well. So I'm going to see if this passes through the filters, and I hope to get you some good quality videos again, but this is happening on everything now. It's just constantly happening, and I'm sorry, I'm trying. I want to get back to full-time daily videos again, but this was released and blocked. And it's not me, guys. It's not me. It's your friendly programming crew over on this site that is doing something. So let me see if I can get this video up to you, at least explaining that I'm trying. I'm really trying, but I'm not getting past the filters. I guess, well, I can't say anything, but we'll see what happens. Read the article.